This morning I walked into the hospital, the Credit Valley site, and I had the most awesome experience, the best way to start my day. Right in front of me was standing one of our volunteers, someone I had worked with many years ago as a nurse at the Credit Valley site, and she's back with us as a volunteer. I reflected on how much we have missed our volunteers and how when I first saw her, I actually wanted to give her a big hug, which is really indicative of how we feel about our volunteers and the fact that they are the heart of our organization.
Our volunteers at Trillium Health Partner are incredibly important to this organization and this community. Not only do they represent our community, they're a link to our community, and they create incredibly important outcomes for our patients. They work on the clinical units, providing support to our providers and to patients. They work in navigating our organization and providing support to patients and families. And they also work in the administrative parts of the hospital that support the clinical environment. Our volunteers work incredibly hard in our organization, and they're such an important part of how we provide a new kind of healthcare to a healthier community.
Thank you to our 1,300 volunteers here at Trillium Health Partners. You truly are the heart of our hospital. 1,300 points of connection to our patients, their families, and our broader community. You are what makes our hospital special. During the course of this pandemic, we have had many days where we've missed our volunteers. And so now, as we turn a corner and are able to welcome you back into the hospital and into the work we are doing, we are so grateful. So this year, for National Volunteer Week, we thank you, and we know how important the work is that you do for our hospital, for our people, and our community.